Hello guys and welcome. Today I want to show you guys about the best top-down trading strategy, and this will be a more simplified version of it. By the way, before I even get there, I just want to show you guys our results from our trades these past days. So our results have been greatly amazing, and we utilized the news on that one, and the profits have really been doing very well. So what we do on this VIP signal group, it's actually even free to join this group. All you have to do is that you just have to go on the video description and use our FPS referral link, and you can even open a cent account there. And the next thing that you're going to do is that you're going to make a deposit of $10 or more. It's just as much as you can afford. Then the next thing that you are going to be doing is you're just going to send me the proof that you have already deposited that amount. As easy as that, we are able to get into our VIP signal group. Otherwise, today we made some massive profits on what we were doing. It was really great. It was really amazing. We made good profits. Now enough about that. It's not about that. So let's go back to what we were talking about. So the first thing that we're going to do here is that we have to know that we have got the multiple time frame analysis. So what we are going to do before we get to the practical, let's just go through over this note so that you guys have got a clear vision of what we are really doing here. So there are these three sets of time frames over here. You've got the yellow one, which is the higher time frame, and then these three, the 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes and 15 time frame, these ones are for the analysis time frame. And then these two, 5 minutes and 1 minute time frame, those two are for the entry time frames. So make sure you get that into your mind. So for the higher time frames, this is where we get the market direction of who is in control of the market, either the suppliers or the sellers. Now for the analysis time frame, this is where we look at a market conditions and the market structure mapping. And then for the end time frames, this is where we confirm and then we execute our orders. So make sure you put that into mind before we get into the chart. So right now this is Euro USD, and this is the daily time frame. The daily time frame is the higher time frame. So what we are going to do is that we are going to look at price movement over here. You can actually see that price has been really going up these past days in a very good way. That is very good. So price has been going up. That's wonderful. Now let's look at this candle where it's on the daily time frame. Let's look at what is happening today. So we've got this candle right here. So let me just use the demonstration arrow. So we've got this candle right here. So what we are going to do, let's just mark it like this. So I'm just going to mark this candle. So I've got to mark this candle as precise as it can be. Now let's go to the analysis time frame. Now maybe the 30-minute time frame. Good. So when we get to the 30-minute time frame, you can actually see that price is still going up very well. So it's still a bullish movement. Remember, keep that in mind. So, and we are inside this zone. You see this zone that we marked last time. So we're still inside that zone and price is still going up. But now what we need is to go down to the smaller time frames. Price is still bullish, as you can all see. So price is still bullish. Let me redo that one. So price is still bullish. Now let's take it to the 5 minutes time frame. This is where we make our confirmations and we make our entries. Let's see how we're able to make this entry over here. So what happens is this. So this one is the one we want today. It was really good. It worked out very well. So what happens here is what you are going to be looking for. As you can see over here, that let me just make it once again and just mark maybe from here. So I want to show you something. So you can see that price has been consolidating all this while, right? Now you can understand that this one was the lowest price went while going down. So that was the lowest. Now let me remove this because I want to make this analysis together with you. Now this price has been going down, but this was the last time price went down and price started getting bullish. Now after price, you see this point over here. So after price crossed that mark or this mark, we can even use this one over here because this is the smaller square, right? So we use these ones as our key levels. Now since price was going down and on the bigger time frame, we know that price is bullish, so whenever price comes down, that is where we can actually place our buy entries. So whenever price comes down, because we want to make sure that we are maximizing our profits as much as we can, so we maximize, excuse me, our profits as much as we can here. So whenever price goes down, I can just keep on placing those entries. Every time price goes down, just make sure you put on your risk to reward ratio in a good space. So price is going down here, I can place another one, and I can just target 2 as our risk to reward ratio, or maybe 3. Now why do I keep on placing these trades? It's because I know on the bigger time frame price is going to be moving up. So now after all these entries, imagine I've got all these 3 over here. Let's just make an example that we only were able to place 3. Now price is going up, I've got 3 entries. How much profits do you think we're going to make over there? Now the trick is, make sure that your risk to reward ratio is just slightly below this point over here, which is your demand zone. So make sure you keep that one in mind. So that is the simplest way I can explain this top-down analysis thing. Otherwise, it starts from the daily time frame. Once you make your analysis on the daily time frame of the price movement and you've got it in mind, then you're going to go to the analysis time frame, which is the 1 hour, 30 minutes or 15-minute time frame. After that, you are going to go to your entry time frame. The entry time frame is either the 1 minute or the 5-minute time frame, and you can make your entries as good as you can, as smooth as you can. Actually today we're able to execute those profits because even on GBP USD we're able to do that analysis and we're able to get tremendous results, in as much as after this one kicked us out over here, so we won and then price decided to go back up, but after we had won this entry. And really guys, this thing works. Even yesterday we won, this was our entry yesterday, we won on it, and this is still GBP USD. And we can even check out other trades that we placed even on Euro USD. We checked out yesterday on this one and it went very good, and the news just came in here and we won again big time. So make sure you guys subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you feel like this information was valuable to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's meet on the next video.